welcome to Dance Class Central. So this is a tap mini lesson. So before you get started, I have a few messages to share. Make sure you have a safe space to move around in. You don't want to kick anything or anyone. And also, do not do anything you're not comfortable with. If you're not ready to do it, don't do it. And if you're participating in this class, you're agreeing to waive all liability to Dance Class Central and anyone associated with it. Also, this is a tap class, but you don't need tap shoes to tap. But if you are using tap shoes, you gotta make sure you have a floor that's good for tap shoes. This class is on paradiddles, railroads, and Shim Shams. So I'll teach you how to do each, and then we'll practice them. So the first one is a paradiddle. A paradiddle is dig, so where you dig, and then a spank, and then a step, and then heel. And you shift weight when you go heel. So dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. So let's try that. Dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. And eventually you'll be able to do it so fast that it's like crazy. But don't do that until you can just get dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel. If you can get that, then start working on making it faster and faster and faster. So the next move is the railroad. So this one is a move that goes side to side. So make sure you have room this way. This one goes step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. So it's a lot of shuffles and ball changes, and it can be very confusing. So I'll just go over that again. Step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. So all together it's step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. And again. Step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. So, let's try it. Step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. So the last move we're going to do is the Shim Sham. And it's, so the Shim Sham is shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. So it alternates feet in the end. So you first would start doing on this side and then on this side. So again, that's shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Okay, let's try that out together. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Let's do that a little bit faster, and then we'll try all of the moves together. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. So now let's do all of the moves together. So we're going to do paradiddle, railroad, Shim Sham. So paradiddle, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step. So we're going to go paradiddle, railroad, Shim Sham, Shim Sham. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel. Step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. That is all we're going to be doing today in this mini lesson. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure to share it with anyone you know. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!